नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम् लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः क्त प्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासः कृतः। क्तः प्रत्यये अपि नियमाः मया साक्षात् उक्ताः आसन्, किन्तु प्रदर्शिताः नासन्। अद्य तेषां किञ्चित् प्रदर्शनं कृत्वा अग्रिमं प्रत्ययं प्रति वयं गच्छामः। तत्र सूत्रम् अस्माभिः पूर्वमेव क्तवतु प्रत्यये यदा पठितः तदा एव दृष्टं। निष्ठा इति सूत्रं वर्तते। निष्ठासंज्ञक प्रत्ययाः के इति चेत् क्ता प्रत्ययः तथा क्तवतु प्रत्यय इति प्रत्ययद्वयं निष्ठासंज्ञौ स्तः। तत्र एव अनेन सूत्रेण किं क्रियते? निष्ठा नाम भूतार्थवृत्तेर् धातोः निष्ठा स्यात्। निष्ठा स्यात् नाम धातोः भूतार्थकाले किं भवेत्? क्त प्रत्यय भवेत्, क्तवतु प्रत्यय भवेत्। तत्र क्तवतु प्रत्ययः कदा करणीयः धातोः इति चेत्, यदि वाक्यं कर्तरि मध्ये निर्मातव्यं, कर्तरि प्रयोगे एक्टिव वॉइस मध्ये करणीयं, तदा क्तवतु प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः। ततः एवम् अग्रिमा पंक्ति अस्ति, तत्र तयोः, तयोः नाम क्त तथा क्तवतु, अनयोः मध्ये भावकर्मणोः एव क्तः प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः। भावे इति कर्मणि इति प्रयोगे, कर्मणि इति प्रयोगे क्ता प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः भवति। उदाहरणं किं? स्नातं मया इति भावे प्रयोगः, स्तुतः त्वया विष्णुः इति कर्मणि प्रयोगः। So basically these things we had seen, and declension will go like kritah, kritau, kritaha in pullinga ramavat, krita, krite, kritaha, this would be in strilinga, and kritam, krite, kritani will be in neutral gender. So first rule we had seen, but I haven't shown that in slide form. So let's see. Karmani kitah. I had explained this rule. Karmani kitah means what? Karmani prayoge tah pratyayah upayujyate. Tah pratyay will be used in karmani prayoga. So that is first rule. So for example, let's take the example of तवतु प्रत्यय सह फलरसम पीतवान. That pitavan and that purna sentence will be translated as saha will change into tritiya vibhakti. So 1 2 1 is kartari, 3 1 1 is karmani. So 1 2 1 will change into 3 1 1. So saha will change into 3. Tena. Phalarasam was in dvitiya vibhakti, it will come under prathama vibhakti now in karmani prayoga. So tena phalarasaha. So in Kartari we used to use Pitavan. It would be Pitaha. So Saha Phalarasam Pitavan, Tena Phalarasaha Pitaha. Meaning is same. Okay. Just little change, and the ahankara, in the sense the kartrutva, will be shifted little bit. Saha Phalarasam Pitavan. Their focus is on Saha. But the Karmani Prayoga, Phalarasaha is drunken, what? Drunk, is drunk by him. तो वहां कर्म के ऊपर जरा फोकस होता है. दिस इज हाउ इवन यू इफ यू सी भाष्य ग्रंथस, when भगवान शंकराचार्य जी और भगवान वेद व्यास जी और वाल्मीकि जी, whenever he writes भाष्य ग्रंथ etc., mostly they will be using karmani prayoga. Why? Because they consider that work they are not doing. The work is done through them. They become object, they become karma. The Ishvara make them as an instrument, and through that they can or they could write the work, the scriptures, etc. तो बेसिकली कर्मणि प्रयोग का ज्यादातर उपयोग आपको ग्रंथों में दिखाई देगा. सह वस्त्रम धृतवान, दिस इज कर्तरी सेंटेंस, will be changed into karmani like tena vastram dhritam. Okay. So, और एक how to get the क्त pratyanta form, very simple. If you remember pitavan, khaditvan, dhrutvan, etc., etc., remove that one pratyaya, like यहाँ है ना, this one pitavan, remove this one pratyaya, whatever remains you can add visarga with that, it will go pitah, pitau, pitaha. Similarly dhrutavan, it will go dhrutah, dhrutau, dhrutaha in pullinga, dhrutam, dhrute, dhrutani in neuter gender, like that. Okay, this is one way to remember the form of ta pratyanta, ta pratyaya. Okay, so if you remember the tavatu pratyanta forms, remove that what part, vati part, whatever you use, and whatever remains, like khaditavan, khadita, patitavan, patita, then you can add those visarga, etc., and it will be kta pratyanta form. Like brahmacharinah vedam patitavantah, it will become brahmacharibihi vedah patitah. Bhave prayoga. Now need to understand this bhave prayoga. It is not used in English, in the sense they say impersonal voice, but if you use it as कर्तरी structure, the meaning or translation will not be available. For example, shariram kampitvat, the bhave prayoga will be used in two ways. In the sense, if kriya pada is akarmaka, intransitive verb, okay, that intransitive verb will be used two ways. In kartari sentence also, in another it would be bhave. For example, shariram kampitavat, this is past tense. Shariram kampitavat, kampanam nama, shaking. So the body has shaken. So body shakes. Okay, body shakes. जब ये सेंटेंस कंपितवत ऐसा यूज कर रहे हैं तो कर्तरी सेंटेंस है, द बॉडी शेक्स. बट व्हेन वी ट्राई टू put it into bhave prayoga, we put शरीरेण कंपितम. बट इंग्लिश में ये ट्रांसलेट कर पाना मुझे लगता है डिफिकल्ट होगा. डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया हाउ टू ट्रांसलेट शरीरेण कंपितम, द बॉडी हैज शेकन? बॉडी हैज शेकन, ऐसा कुछ होगा शायद. बट इट्स
Shari, sorry, sir. Sharirena would mean ke dwara, right?
हाँ, के द्वारा.
So yeah, it'll be difficult to do by the body.
तो
Yeah, it's
English
yeah.
translation we will not be able to find, but the sentences are made two ways. Whenever you find akarmaka dhatu, that akarmaka dhatu can be used in kartari also and karmani also. Not karmani, sorry. So it will not be used in karmani, but there is another similar prayoga like karmani, that is called bhave. तो उस सेंटेंस में सिर्फ आपको कर्म नहीं दिखेगा, बस उतना ही डिफरेंस है दोनों में, कर्मणि और भावे में. ओके, ओके. शिशु क्रीडितवान मीनिंग, शिशु क्रीडितवान,
The child played.
हाँ, द चाइल्ड प्लेड. एंड देन सिमिलरली क्रीडति धातु इज अकर्मक धातु, intransitive verb. So basically, if we want to make the change into this sentence, we will be using this prayoga, bhave prayoga, and it will become shishuna kriditam. Okay, shishuna kriditam, meaning he played. What to say? Yeah, the child played. ऐसा ही मीनिंग लेंगे. अभी इंग्लिश में मुझे पता नहीं यदि वहां कुछ रूल्स या है या नहीं, पता नहीं. सा उच्चैः हसितवती, शी लाफ्ड. यू नो, उच्चैः मतलब लाउडली. ओके, सा उच्चैः हसितवती, शी लाफ्ड लाउडली, शी लाउडली लाफ्ड. तया उच्चैः हसितम. Okay, now whenever we use this pratyaya in karmani prayoga, the pratyaya will follow karma. Basically, pitah because of palarasah, dhrutam because of vastram, it became in neuter gender. Patitah because it is pullinga, karma is in pullinga. This is how it becomes patitah. But in bhave prayoga, very simple. Whenever you find akarmaka dhatu, you have to put that ta pratyanta form in prathama purusha and neuter gender. ekavachanam, neuter gender, like kampitam, kriditam, hasitam, and you will not be able to use bahuvachanam or any another. Any person, purusha you add, sharirena kampitam, you can say tena kampitam, you can say tvam, tvam tva yovam, toya kampitam, maya kampitam, whatever you use, kampitam will remain as it is. There will be no change. Okay. Similarly, Shishuna Kriditam, Tena Kriditam, Maya Kriditam, Tvaya Kriditam, it will remain same. Kriditam will remain same. No change. Taya
I
Uche.
have a question. I have a question. That Sharirena Kampitam, there is no karma word there, right?
There is no karma.
There is no karma.
तो बेसिकली जब कर्म सकर्मक धातु आएगा तो वहां कर्मणि प्रयोग करेंगे, और यदि धातु सकर्मक नहीं है तो हम वहां कर्मणि प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते, तो करेंगे क्या? यदि वाक्य चेंज करना है तो वहां भावे प्रयोग करेंगे. Okay, so how many dhatus are there? Akarmak dhatu. So their list is given: lajja, satta, sthiti, jagaranam, vriddhi, kshaya, bhaya, jivita, maranam, shayana, krida, ruchi, deeptyartham, dhatu ganam tam, akarmakam, ahuhu. This is the karika. If you find lajjarthak dhatus like lajjate, व्रीडति, व्रीडति, that kind of धातु, जितने भी धातु लज्जार्थक आएंगे वो सारे के सारे अकर्मक हैं. सत्तावाचक जितने भी धातु आएंगे जैसे कि अस्ति, भवति, वर्तते, विद्यते, these all धातुs are अकर्मक. You cannot use karma along with them. A particular sthiti like kampanam is a kind of sthiti, jagaranam is kind of sthiti, kridanam, etc. Vriddhi, vardhanam, kshaya, bhaya, jivita. In these meanings, if you find some dhatus, such dhatus, they are called akarmaka dhatus. Shayana, krida, ruchi, etc. etc. Okay. Okay. Another rule. नपुंसक भावे नपुंसकार्थे, a common neuter noun, if you want to use any noun like charitam, that would be in प्रत्यंत form. कृष्णस्य चरितम विचित्रम अस्ति, अद्य भुक्तम कथम आसीत्. These are called common nouns. Charitam is common noun, bhuktam is common word. So along with that also you can use the pratyanta form. Sati Saptami we had studied in our Karaka Prakarana. So hope you remember. For example, yada Ramaha Ravanam ahanat tada devaha tushtuvuhu. The meaning is when Rama killed Ravana, that time devas were very, the deities were very happy. The gods were very happy. If you want to make the use of kta pratyayanta form, so basically when we can use kta pratyaya in karmani prayoga. तो कर्मणि प्रयोग में यदि सती सप्तमी यूज करनी है, व्हेन वी वांट टू यूज सती सप्तमी इन कर्मणि स्ट्रक्चर, कर्मणि का स्ट्रक्चर रहता है 3-1-1, एंड जब हमें सती सप्तमी करना होता है तब स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है 3-7-7. ओके, 3-7-7 मतलब क्या? कर्ता वुड बी इन तृतीया विभक्ति, कर्म पदम विल गो इनटू Saptami Vibhakti, and whatever Kta Pratyanta form we are using, that Kta Pratyanta form also will be in Saptami Vibhakti. For example, Ramaha was there, it would be Ramena. Third, Ravanam was a karma, Ravanaha. Okay, so it will become Ravane. Hate Sati, Ramena, Ravane Hate Sati, Devaha Tushtuhu. Next part will remain as it is. Similarly, yada Ramaha vanam gatah tada dasharatah mritah. So basically, Ramena vane gate dasharatah mritah. Vane gate sati. Sati is not mandatory, even you use, even you don't use, it will give the meaning. Ramena vane gate sati dasharatah mritah. So sati saptami, this is how. In karmani form we are using. Kartari it will change. Now I don't want to put into little bit confusion, it will happen. So we'll sometimes separate class we will take on. Sati Saptami. How it is made in Karmani, how it is made in Kartari. We will discuss about that. Okay, these were some dhatus we have already seen. This was the sutram, and there was some mistake from my side. There was little change in sutra. I had put gatyartha shlisha. Some there was a order change because of some typo. Now sutra goes like gatyartha karmaka shlisha shingstha savasajana ruha jiryatibhyascha. This is how sutra goes. In previous class there was something here and there. Okay, so this is called exception. Whenever we use gatyartha kaschana dhatu, again like a dhatu like charati, bhramati, chalati, sarati, there is a movement, gati. Along with that, there would be kartari form also, karmani form also, and bhavi prayog also. That gatyartha dhatu can be used in kartari also, karmani also, bhavi also. That thing we have to remember. There was little mistake in sutra, that's it. बाकी तो हमने पढ़ा ही. We had seen these shlokas, right, in last class. Now, next pratyaya I will introduce, that is called tavyat pratyaya. So basically sutra goes like tavyat tavyani arha. In this sutra, Paniniji introduced three pratyayas. Tavyat pratyaya, first one. Second is tavya. And third one is aniyar. So basically in this class, tavyat and tavya we are going to learn. They both are same in meaning. Little bit for swara prakriya, they made a little change. One ends with ta, but ultimately it becomes only tavya only. And tavya pratyaya, it is tavya only. So both have same meaning, both will have same form, but little in swara prakriya it goes like here and there. That's it. नहीं तो हम जब तव्यत पढ़ रहे उसका उसके साथ साथ तव्य भी पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay. So basically सूत्र says तव्यत तव्यानियरः मतलब तव्यत तव्य अनियरः. These are pratyayas. धातोः एते प्रत्ययाः स्युः. From dhatu root, main root, this pratyaya will take place. Are those tavyat, tavya, anyar, these three. And like for example, edha is the dhatu. Edha is a dhatu. Along with that dhatu, if we add tavyat pratyaya, it would become edhitavyam. How it becomes edhitavyam? It agama will happen in between that. It will become ag. And then we need to add tavyat pratyaya, edhitavyam. And similarly, tavya pratyaya, second pratyaya also would look same, edhitavyam. Okay, only swara prakriya wise it changes. The meaning and the form is same. Aniyar pratyaya we are going to learn in next class. So basically, when you add ed dhatu along aniyar pratyaya along with ed dhatu, it becomes edhaniyam. Meaning is same. Tvaya edhitavyam. Okay, edavruddhau. Tvaya vardhitavyam iti artha. There are many other pratyayas. We don't need to talk about this pratyaya right now. Like krityarthak, there are tavya, tavya, aniyar, yap, kyap, nyat, kelimar. These are some pratyayas. They are called kritya pratyaya. Okay. Now directly towards tavyat pratyaya. अस्य प्रत्ययस्य प्रयोगः उपयोगः कर्मणि प्रयोगे तथा भावे प्रयोगे भवति. So now you are good in karmani also, bhave also. The structure, if you remember, you will be able to make the sentences by using this tavyat pratyaya. So 3-1-1, that thing we need to remember. And why do we use tavyat pratyaya? What is the meaning of this? आदेशः, प्रार्थना इत्यादि अर्थेषु तव्यत् प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः भवति. When we want to make a polite request, kind request, or to request someone, to order someone, विधि लकार, लोट लकार, इनका जहां जहां यूज होता है ना, वहां वहां इस प्रत्यय का भी यूज होता है. Okay. So basically, when we want to make sentence in karmani prayoga, the karma is predominant. Accordingly, कर्म, according to that karma, we put Purusha, Linga, Vachana of that Tavyat Pratyaya. For example, Bhavati atra agacchatu. Bhavati atra agacchatu. This is the sentence. Here they haven't used or I haven't used a particularly karma part. तो जब कर्म नहीं रहेगा तो हमेशा क्या होता है, प्रथम पुरुष एक वचनम भवति. प्रथम पुरुष नपुंसकलिंगम एक वचनम भवति. भवति अत्र आगच्छतु means what? Bhavati means you come here. Same sentence if you want to make into karmani, it would become bhavatya atra agantavyam. This is tavyat pratyanta form. And karmani prayoga, this is in karmani structure. Okay. This bhavati atra agacchatu, this sentence if you want to change into karmani, we can say bhavatya atra आगम्यताम, ऐसा सेंटेंस बन सकता है. आगम्यताम इति डायरेक्टली विथ क्रियापद यू कैन यूज, अथवा आगंतव्यम by using tavyat pratyanta form आगंतव्यम. This is how you can write the sentence. Next, भावे प्रयोगे नपुंसकलिंगे अस्य प्रयोगः कर्तुं शक्यते. When धातु is akарmaka, that time we have to put that sentence into भावे प्रयोग. So सा न रोदितु, she should not cry. Same sentence if you want to make, it would become तया न रोदितव्यम इति. Okay. कर्तरि वाक्यस्य कर्मणि वाक्ये परिवर्तने ये नियमाः उपयुज्यन्ते ते सर्वेपि नियमाः अत्रापि उपयुज्यन्ते. मतलब आपको कर्तरि वाक्य का कर्मणि बनाना है. कर्मणि बनाने के लिए जो जो रूल्स है, जैसे कि 3-1-1, वो सारे के सारे रूल्स आप इस प्रत्यय के साथ जोड़ सकते हो. जैसे कि कर्ता वुड बी इन तृतीया विभक्ति, कर्म वुड बी इन प्रथमा विभक्ति, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू कर्म we have to put purusha, linga and vachanam. For example, bhavan devam namatu. This sentence if you want to change into karmani, directly if you want to use namati dhatu in karmani, it would be bhavata devah namyatam. Namyatam. And same sentence by using tavyat pratyay, it would be bhavata devah nantavyah. नन्तव्यः. Similarly, सीता तत्र उपविशतु, सीतया तत्र उपवेष्टव्यम् इति, अथवा सीतया तत्र उपविश्यताम्, ऐसा बन सकता है. सीतया, हाँ, उपविश्यताम्, उपविश्यताम्, ऐसा डायरेक्टली लोट लकार का फॉर्म बना करके कर्मणि स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हैं. त्वं मित्राणि न पीडय, त्वं मित्राणि त्वया मित्राणि न पीडितव्यानि, तव्यत् प्रत्यंत form. Do you have any doubt regarding these rules or any queries? No. Then I will move further. How to make tavyat pratyanta form? Very simple. You memorize tumun pratyanta forms, correct? Kartum, nantum, khaditum, vaktum, etc., etc. What do you need to do? Remove that tvam, tum part and add tavyat part. That's it. Okay. कर्तुम नंतुम, उनमें से तुम वो प्रत्यय निकाल देंगे, उस जो भी बचता है उस रूप के साथ तव्य लगा देना है. बन जाएगा कर्तव्यम, नंतव्यम, खादितव्यम, पातव्यम वगैरह वगैरह, पठितव्यम, लेखितव्यम. राइट. ओके. Whatever pratyas we were looking at tumun pratyaya, same rules will be applicable here to get the form of tavyat pratyaya anyway. So these are some ultimate forms. I have put in pullinga only, but we need to understand they will be declined pullinga like ramot, nantavyah, nantavyo, nantavyah in all cases. Similarly, in strilinga, it would be declined like lata, late, lataha, or rama, rame, ramaha it will go nantavyaha, nantavye, nantavyaha in strilinga. And similarly, in neuter gender, if you want to make a sentence, if there is a karma padam in neuter gender, then nantavyam, nantavya, nantavyani. This is how it is going to be. So now by using these pratyas, the forms, we need to make sentences. One by one, you can make few sentences. Hmm. 3-1-1. That structure you remember. That's it.
भक्तः देवं नन्तव्यः.
3-1-1.
Oh, 3-1. भक्तेन.
भक्तेन देवः नन्तव्यः.
देवः नन्तव्यः.
So basically, when you want to get the meaning, it would be the God, the Lord should be worshipped by devotee. तो मैंने ऐसा तो लिखा है शुड गो डाउन वगैरह, लेकिन मीनिंग जब आप अर्थ लेंगे तब द गॉड शुड बी बो डाउन बाय और सैल्यूट डिवोटी, ऐसा मीनिंग आएगा उसका. अर्चितव्य. Okay, let me change here. You can make sentences.
जनैः देवः अर्चितव्यः.
समीचीनम्. Again. You can continue. Next.
सीतया हरिणी ईक्षितव्यः. No, I wanted to say Sita saw the deer, but it should be ईक्षितव्यः.
The deer should be seen by Sita, right? तो सीतया मृगः अथवा हरिणः
ईक्षितव्यः.
ईक्षितव्यः अथवा द्रष्टव्यः, both.
द्रष्टव्यः.
Nice. Next.
Can we say सर्वया गीतां श्रोतव्यः?
सर्वैः गीता. सुनो, गीता
श्रोतव्य
स्त्रीलिंग, राइट? तो श्रोतव्यः.
मया पाठः पठितव्यः.
मया पाठः पठितव्यः. ड्रंक ये थर्ड फॉर्म रहता है ना, ड्रिंक, ड्रंक, ड्रंक ना, करेक्ट है नहीं? ओके, नेक्स्ट.
शिशुना दुग्धं पातव्यम्.
Very good.
What is that? Patavyam or patavyaha?
Dugdham is in neuter gender.
Patavyam.
The milk should be drunk by baby. Okay.
साधकेन प्रभातं ध्यातव्यः.
What should be meditated?
Like साधक को प्रभात में सुबह में मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए.
मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए. तो ध्यातव्य is correct, but upon what or to whom he shall remember, or So devah. So what we need to say? Sadhakena pratah is the kala. When we want to say kalah, pratah kale, saptami vibhakti we can say, or directly pratah is avyaya shabda. Pratah. So directly we can say साधकेन प्रातः अथवा प्रातः काले देवः ध्यातव्यः. आत्मा ध्यातव्यः श्रोतव्यः मंतव्यः आत्मा वारे श्रोतव्यः मंतव्यः निदिध्यासितव्यः. दिस इज हाउ श्रुति गोज राइट. निदिध्यासितव्यः आत्मा ध्यातव्यः निदिध्यासितव्यः लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट.
मात्रेण शिशुः पालितव्यः.
अगेन द फर्स्ट वर्ड.
So माता मातृ
मात्रा तृतीया विभक्ति would be
मात्रा.
या अम्बया अनन्या मात्रा शिशुः पालयितव्यः.
पालयितव्यः.
कर्मकरैः वस्त्रं वस्त्रं मार्जितव्यः.
क्षालयितव्यम् मार्जयितव्यम् मार्जयितव्यम् वस्त्रं न्यूट्रल जेंडर. नाइस.
धनिना
धनिकेन दानं दातव्यम्. धनिना इति अपि शक्यते. योगिना
धनिना दानं दातव्यम्.
समीचीनम्. नेक्स्ट.
मया पुस्तकं स्थातव्यम्. Stay won't work. Stha is also to keep, or is it just stay?
Sthathavyam means to stay, and to sthapayitavyam you can use.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sthapayitavyam. Sorry, sthapayitavyam because it's pustakam, right?
To place, to put. Sthapayitavyam. Next.
भक्तेन देवम् अर्चितव्यः.
देवः अर्चितव्यः.
ओ देवः.
वदतु.
मित्रेण पिता द्रष्टव्यः.
मित्रेण पिता द्रष्टव्यः. साधु.
No, what does that mean?
The friend should see his father.
Oh.
Now there are some sentences like a pullinge, it will go like Rama. Sorry, you want to make
No.
Okay. In karmani, like karma padam will go like Rama. If it is in pullinga, if it is in strilinga, Rama, and if it is in neuter gender, it will be Vanam. So maya patah patitavyah. Patah was shabda is in pullinga, so patitavyah. Pathau patitavyau. Pataha patitavyaha. If there is a neuter gender, karyam shabda, it will go like त्वया अथवा अस्माभिः कार्यं कर्तव्यं. कार्ये कर्तव्ये कार्याणि कर्तव्यानि. If there is a full strilinga shabda like तैः गंगा द्रष्टव्या, maya ganga drashtavya, like that. So it depends upon karma padam. In bhave prayoga, what we need to remember, kartru padam will come in tritiya vibhakti, like ramena, balakena, maya, tvaya, etc. etc. Whatever karma padam you want, kartru padam you want to use, you will be using in tritiya vibhakti. But the tavyat pratyanta form always will be in neuter gender and pratham purusha ekvachanam. Hasitavyam. So there might be one balaka or many. It doesn't matter. You have to use hasitavyam only. Hasitavyam, kriditavyam, varditavyam, sthatavyam, etc. etc. Okay. कौसल्याः सुप्रजा राम पूर्वा संध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल कर्तव्यम दैवमान्निकम्. ऐसा कुछ श्लोक है ना वाल्मीकि रामायण है ना. सुब्बलक्ष्मी जी गाती है शायद.
सुप्रभातम, वेंकटेश सुप्रभातम।
सुप्रभातम ऐसा होता है शायद। हाँ, साउथ में हमने 2-3 साल लगातार सुनते रहते थे हम सुबह सुबह। हाँ जी।
रेडियो पे आता था सुबह।
हाँ न, वो हर एक मंदिर में वो लगाते हैं वहां, प्रातः काल भगवान को ऐसे उठाते हैं वो सब। हमारे यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में काकड़ा भजन होता है, और साउथ में ये पूर्वा संध्या होती है जी। हे कौसल्या सुप्रजा राम, पूर्वा संध्या प्रवर्तते, उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूल, हे नरशार्दूल उत्तिष्ठ, कितनी देर तक सोओगे, उठो अभी। कर्तव्यम दैवान्हिकम, आह्निकम दैवम कर्तव्यम त्वया, आह्निकम दैवम कर्तव्यम इति। आहन्निकम इत्यस्य अर्थः भवति अहन्, अहन् इति शब्दस्य दिनम् इति अर्थः, दिवसः इति अर्थः। दिने यत् क्रियते तदस्ति अन्धिकम्, अन्धिकम्। देवकार्यं यत् क्रियते तत् दैवम् इति उच्यते। आह्निकं दैवं त्वया कर्तव्यं, सो यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, त्वया पूजा कर्तव्या इति अर्थः। पूजा इत्यादिकं यत् किमपि वर्तते, यः नियमः, सः नियमः त्वया कर्तव्यः इति अर्थः। अग्रिमः श्लोकः। गते शोको न कर्तव्यः, भविष्यं नैव चिन्तयेत्, वर्तमानेन कालेन प्रवर्तन्ते विचक्षणाः। अस्य अन्वयः शक्यते वा? अस्य अर्थः गते,
So, Gate, whatever has happened in the past, don't grieve over that.
शोकः न कर्तव्यः,
And
you have to put that sentence
Shokah na
in
Gate Shokah na kartavyah
while explaining.
Bhavishya.
You have to
Go ahead.
explain in passive voice, because kartavya, it is passive, right? So how to explain this line?
The past
What happened?
sorrows
Hmm.
na kartavyah.
Hmm.
It should not be done.
Hmm. Okay.
I don't know what that means. Bhavishyam naiva chintayet. The future, don't think of the future.
Not worried of future, ऐसा अर्थ किया तो अच्छा रहेगा. Don't think of future, it would.
Don't worry about the future.
Definitely we need to think about future, but not to worry. Next. वर्तमानेन कालेन विचक्षणाः प्रवर्तन्ते, विचक्षणाः वर्तमानेन कालेन प्रवर्तन्ते, नाम विचक्षणाः विद्वांसः पंडिताः ये भवन्ति ते वर्तमानेन कालेन कालयापनं कुर्वन्ति, दे गो विथ फ्लो, दैट इज द मीनिंग. अग्रिमः श्लोकः अस्ति, समापयामः. शतं विहाय भोक्तव्यं, सहस्रं स्नानमाचरेत्, लक्षं विहाय दातव्यं, कोटिं त्यक्त्वा हरिं भजेत्. शतं कार्याणि सन्ति, तानि कार्याणि विहाय किं कर्तव्यं, भोजनम् आवश्यकं भवति इति कृत्वा भोजनं कर्तव्यम्. सहस्रं कार्याणि सन्ति, तानि कार्याणि विहाय किं कर्तव्यं, स्नानम्